Welcome to FaFiFu Home. FaFiFu Home presents
Modern Gate Design and Wall Design and Ideas for Stunning Home Exteriors 2025. Modern gate design and wall design are no longer just boundaries. They define first impressions, elevate curb appeal, and express architectural identity. One modern house gate design. Modern house gate design plays a vital role in defining the personality of your home exterior. With clean lines, refined materials, and balanced proportions, these designs create a powerful first impression that reflects contemporary living standards and architectural elegance. Two, contemporary boundary wall design. Contemporary boundary wall design blends security with style using innovative materials, layered textures, and minimalist geometry. These walls enhance privacy while maintaining a refined visual harmony that complements modern residential architecture beautifully. Three, minimalist front gate ideas. Minimalist front gate ideas focus on simplicity, functionality, and timeless appeal. By reducing visual clutter and emphasizing form, these designs create calm, welcoming entrances that align perfectly with modern lifestyle preferences and architectural clarity.
If you love our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiration. Like this video if it sparked new ideas, and comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to share our video. Sharing is caring. Thank you.
4, luxury metal gate design. Luxury metal gate design showcases craftsmanship, durability, and visual impact. Premium finishes, bold patterns, and precise detailing transform the entrance into a statement piece that elevates the overall value and prestige of the property. Five, concrete wall with metal gate. Concrete wall with metal gate combinations offer strength, elegance, and modern contrast. The solid texture of concrete paired with sleek metal elements delivers a balanced exterior that feels both secure and architecturally sophisticated. Six, wooden modern gate design. Wooden modern gate design introduces warmth and natural character into contemporary homes. Clean cuts, smooth finishes, and rich textures allow wood to blend seamlessly with modern architecture while maintaining a welcoming aesthetic. Seven, modern sliding gate ideas. Modern sliding gate ideas are ideal for space efficiency and sleek functionality. Their smooth operation and streamlined appearance make them a popular choice for urban homes seeking modern convenience without compromising style. 8. Smart automated gate design. Smart automated gate design brings technology and security together. Integrated systems enhance ease of access while offering advanced control features that align with the future of modern residential living. Nine. Modern villa gate and wall. Modern villa gate and wall designs emphasize luxury harmony and architectural flow. These elements work together to create a cohesive exterior that reflects sophistication, exclusivity, and refined modern taste. Ten. Small house modern gate ideas. Small house modern gate ideas focus on maximizing visual appeal within limited space. Thoughtful proportions, minimalist detailing, and clever material choices help create an impressive entrance even for compact homes. (11) Laser-cut metal gate design. Laser-cut metal gate design introduces artistic precision and visual depth. Intricate patterns create stunning light and shadow effects, adding a unique contemporary character to modern home exteriors. (12) Modern compound wall lighting. Modern compound wall lighting enhances both safety and aesthetics. Strategically placed lighting highlights architectural features, creating a warm, inviting ambience, while elevating nighttime curb appeal. (13) Stone and concrete wall design. Stone and concrete wall design combines natural texture with modern structure. This pairing delivers timeless strength, visual depth, and an elegant balance between rugged materials and refined architectural expression. (14) Horizontal slat gate design. Horizontal slat gate design emphasizes clean geometry and modern rhythm. The linear arrangement creates a sense of width, openness, and contemporary sophistication, ideal for modern residential settings. (15) Modern entrance gate facade. Modern entrance gate facade design acts as the architectural focal point of the home exterior. Bold compositions and layered materials create a memorable arrival experience that defines modern luxury living. 16. Urban modern boundary wall. Urban modern boundary wall designs respond to city living needs with sleek, durable solutions. They provide privacy, noise reduction, and a stylish presence that complements dense urban architecture. (17) Matte black modern gate design. Matte black modern gate design delivers bold elegance and timeless appeal. The refined finish enhances modern lines while offering a strong visual contrast that elevates the entire exterior composition. (18) Contemporary house perimeter wall. Contemporary house perimeter wall design ensures visual continuity around the property. Clean detailing and modern materials create a unified boundary that enhances both security and architectural identity. (19) Modern gate design with greenery. Modern gate design with greenery integrates nature into architecture. Plants soften structural elements, creating a refreshing, welcoming entrance that reflects sustainable and biophilic design principles. (20) Architectural front wall design. Architectural front wall design transforms boundaries into sculptural features. Thoughtful geometry, textures, and finishes elevate the home exterior into a statement of modern architectural creativity.
If you love our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiration, like this video if it sparked new ideas, and comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to share our video, sharing is caring. Thank you.
(21) Premium modern gate aesthetics. Premium modern gate aesthetics focus on refined materials, flawless detailing, and visual harmony. These designs create an exclusive entrance experience that reflects quality craftsmanship and modern sophistication.
Conclusion. Modern gate design and wall design are more than just exterior elements. They are powerful expressions of identity, style, and architectural vision. By combining functionality with aesthetic excellence, these designs create a lasting impression that enhances both security and visual appeal. Whether you prefer minimalist elegance or bold luxury statements, the right combination can completely transform your home exterior into a masterpiece of modern living. Personal touch. Every home tells a story, and your gate and wall design are the very first chapter that visitors experience. Take time to choose materials, colors, and layouts that truly reflect your personality and lifestyle. Do not be afraid to experiment with textures, lighting, and greenery, because even small, thoughtful details can create a remarkable transformation that feels uniquely yours and deeply inspiring.
If these modern gate design and wall design ideas inspired you, imagine what the right exterior upgrade could do for your own home. Stay connected with best house design ideas for more future-focused architecture, exterior trends, and design inspiration that turn houses into unforgettable homes.